What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So today what we will be doing is we will be getting the cozy fireplace thing in my restaurant. So we only have like about 130 more to go. Let's go, guys. We're pretty close, actually. I also have the advertising campaign going on, so we're getting customers fairly fast. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright, let's stop here. You opened the golden present and found an exclusive cozy fireplace item. Happy holidays. Okay, let's all look at it. Alright, so I actually have a Christmas floor. If this works. Floor 8 is my Christmas floor. Look at this. Look at my decorations. I was grinding. While I was grinding, I made this. And there's just a present in the thing. Okay, no, yeah. So then we got like the thing over here. You know what I mean. So, and I also made an exclusive place for the fireplace. Alright. So let's also hear how this sounds. Let's check it. Okay, let's tap on it first. You searched the stockings and found 12,329. Nice. So how long, does that only happen once, or does that happen like every day or something? Oh no, we'll have to see. So let's hear this music. Alright. See that, guys? Okay. Look at that. That sounds cool. So yeah, there's some nice stockings. But yeah, that's it for this video. Shorter video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!